what credit score do you need to get approved for a business loan? Well, that's exactly what we're going to decode during today's training. Look, a lot of business owners want to know, how can I get a business loan without a personal credit check? How do I get a business loan with bad credit? Can I get a business loan if I have a 580, 600, 660 type of credit score? Well, all of that we're going to cover during today's training. You're going to leave this training with a clear path to get approved for money for your business, even no matter how bad your credit may be. And we're going to decode everything you need to know about credit score requirements when it comes to getting business loans. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Okay, so what score do you even need for a business loan? Well, the real answer is it depends. There's actually 4 types of loans we're going to cover right now, and we're going to take a look at the credit score requirements for each. First of all, let's say you have some kind of asset that can serve up as collateral. Stocks, bonds, 401ks, IRAs, real estate, inventory, equipment. If you have some kind of asset that you could pledge as collateral and you qualify for collateral-based financing, there's no credit score requirements. So all types of financing are available just based on a business asset where the lender doesn't even care about credit scores. Another type of financing, and the second of the 4, is cash flow financing. This is financing based on, well, just the fact that you have consistent cash flow. If you've got money going into a business bank account consistently for 6 months and you're managing that bank account responsibly, then there's a good chance you can get approved for cash flow financing, merchant cash advances, and in a lot of cases, there's no credit score requirements. No matter how good or bad your personal credit may be, you're still able to get approved. Now, the third type of financing is credit-based financing. And with credit-based financing, well, there's 2 types of credit you can use. Consumer credit-based financing, like Credit Line Hybrid, is a phenomenal product that you can get approved for, but you need a 680, 700 type FICO score to get approved. The great news is if you don't have that, you can use a business partner instead. You can use what's called a guarantor. It could be a business partner. It could be a family member. It could be a friend. Anyone around you that's willing to sign as a guarantor can actually be used, their credit, to qualify for a program like Credit Line Hybrid. It's no doc. You get 0% rates. You can take the cash out and get approved for up to $150,000 in credit lines just based on consumer credit. Now, the other side of credit is business credit. And once you build your business credit, you're able to qualify for $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 individual limit credit accounts without a personal guarantee, and in a lot of cases, without a personal credit check. So if you want to get away from personal credit checks, you really need to build your business credit. By building your business credit, you actually give yourself a fundable asset. You help your business fund itself where consumer credit really isn't as necessary. So now we've already talked about a lot of ways where you can get away with getting money that you need without any kind of credit check. So let's talk about the 4th type of financing, and that's SBA financing. When we walk into a big bank to get a loan like Chase, Bank of America, Regions, well, they're going to issue a loan and that's guaranteed by SBA. Those loans are very difficult to qualify for. We need years of financials. We need collateral. We need to have really good personal and business credit. So if you have any kind of credit issues, you want to stay away from the big bank loans. You want to focus on a loan that focuses on your collateral, or one that focuses on your cash flow, or build your business credit instead, or even use a guarantor. Those are alternatives to get money to grow your business even as a startup. So how do you even build your business credit? Well, if you want to build your business credit to give your business a fundable asset, to help your business fund itself, then all you have to do is give us a call for a free finance assessment. On this finance assessment, we'll help you get your business credit reports at no cost. We'll give you tips and tactics to improve your business credit. We'll help you improve your fundability as well, the things that lenders and credit issuers really look at to determine how much money you should get and if you should be approved or denied. And we'll also do a finance assessment to talk about all these funding options and many more, to talk about the lending options that work best for your options and all the ones you can get approved for right now. And listen, a lot of entrepreneurs give us a call for the free finance assessment and get several types of funding when they didn't even think they could qualify for one. So in order to get that free finance assessment, give us a call at 877-600-2487, or make sure you schedule online at creditsuite.com/consult. Did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training. We'll talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.